Here's how to delete your Cameo selfie on Snapchat. It's quite easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Snapchat app. After signing into your Snapchat account, now click on this little profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on this gear icon at this page. Moving on to the next step, scroll to the bottom and tap on the Cameos option. Now at this page, you will see the option of clear my Cameos selfie. Tap on it. At this pop-up, tap on the clear option. Now as you can see, we have successfully deleted our Cameos selfie. So that's how to delete Cameos selfie on Snapchat. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it and to subscribe our channel.